Do you smell raw gasoline when you start your car? Or have you noticed black smoke puffing out of your tailpipe? These are classic signs that your engine is getting way too much fuel, and your scanner will likely show code P0088, which means fuel rail system pressure too high. This is the opposite of the previous code, but just as dangerous for your engine. In this scenario, your PCM is seeing a voltage signal from the fuel rail pressure sensor that indicates the pressure has exceeded the maximum safety limit. When the pressure is too high, the fuel injectors spray far more gasoline than necessary, leading to fouled spark plugs, a dramatic drop in miles per gallon, and potentially ruining your catalytic converter. The causes here can range from a stuck fuel pressure regulator to a shorted wire. A very common issue we see in the shop is actually wiring damage caused by rodents. Mice love the warmth of the engine cover and often chew through the harness on top of the engine, causing the wires to short out and send a high voltage signal to the computer, tricking it into thinking pressure is high or actually commanding max pressure. To troubleshoot this, start by checking for any technical service bulletins for your specific year and model, as this is often a known software glitch on some American cars. If there are no bulletins, pop the hood and inspect the wiring harnesses carefully for any signs of fraying or chewing. Next, you need to verify if the pressure is actually high or if the sensor is just lying. Connect a mechanical fuel pressure gauge with the engine off and the key on. Compare the reading on the gauge to the reading on your scan tool. If the mechanical gauge shows normal pressure but the scan tool reads high, you likely have a bad sensor or a wiring issue. Most sensors operate on a 0.5 to 4.5 volt scale. As pressure goes up, voltage goes up. If you are seeing 5 volts or more constantly, you have a short to power or a bad ground. If the mechanical gauge confirms the pressure really is too high and your car uses a vacuum-operated regulator, check that the vacuum line is connected and not leaking. Without vacuum, the regulator will max out the pressure. If you have a returnless system, the fuel pressure regulator inside the tank or the fuel pump driver module might be stuck in a full-speed state. Dealing with high-pressure fuel is risky because leaks can lead to fires instantly. If you cannot pinpoint the electrical fault, do not drive the car extensively as you risk washing down the cylinder walls with gas and destroying your piston rings. Get it to a certified shop to save your engine. Drive safe and take care of your car.